Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about Cashzine and how to earn daily reward points, which you can exchange for prizes, gift cards, and cash. What Cashzine is a lifestyle app that give you daily recommended news. All you gotta do is first is download the app from the Google Play Store. You can earn 50 coins for every time you read an article. They'll have a little icon. Until it hits the full circle, you'll earn that 50 coin. When you join now, it's $1,000 free coins to begin. You invite friends, you'll earn between 30,000 to 50,000 coins, depending on how many friends you invite. And you check in every day, you get 50 coins, then it doubles until the end of the week. It'll become 200 coins, like so 50, 100, 150, and so forth. Quizzes, you can earn up to about 250 coins, but you have to answer them correctly, and you can double the rewards at the end. You try new apps and games, you get 500,000 coins. And you do a lucky draw, which is spin the wheel, you get 20 free spins. You can double your reward by watching ads, and the prizes are 50, 100, or even 200 coins. You can win up to 50,000 coins. You cash out when you hit a minimum cash out is $1. You just need 40,000 coins in order to cash out. If you want a gift card, 400,000 coins for $10 Amazon gift card, 200,000 coins for $50 Amazon gift card. I've tried the program already for about 2 weeks, and so far I've made over like a few thousand coins. I'm just waiting for the coins to grow up bigger, and then I'll be cashing out. It's popular among users. They receive a 4.5 out of 5 stars. And they also have like rankings. They see how you're doing against other players. They have over 10 million users as of now. 100% legit. Really works. The articles are like everyday news. So they give you a referral code. All you gotta do is send the referral code to your friends and family members link. They click it, they register. You just need to fill out your name, email address. That's pretty much it. Everything's electronic. Everything is electronic prizes. It could be like what I specified earlier, Amazon gift card, cash money, and then to how you redeem it is mostly through PayPal. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below what you think about the video, and share my videos so more people can learn about this great opportunity. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.